Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Volkswagen ID.3 and what we're about to do is OEM Volkswagen Towbar upgrade. So this is the one that is purely made for bike rack to carry bikes at the back. It's not meant for any towing. This car doesn't have that capability, so you can only take bikes on the back. So we're going to install it. This is the one that is OEM, so it's hard to explain, but the registration will be dropping and then we'll be able to attach stuff to it. So when we complete it, we'll show you. So this is the original Volkswagen Towbar upgrade. So let's get to it. We'll show you everything when it's completed. At the moment, obviously, you see there's nothing there. So let's start it and we'll show you when it's all done. Job is done. As you can see, the car is out already. So let me show you. Let's go straight to it. So the newly installed plate, as you can see here, this is the new registration plate that comes with the kit. I said before, it was hard to explain that it's gonna tilt out to access the new Towbar. So I'm just gonna show you. You have to pull this lever, the whole thing comes out, and this is where the electrics sit and the connection to add the tow ball. Now, as I explained before, this Towbar kit is not meant for towing. It's only for a bike rack to carry bikes at the back. So you get the tow head here. It comes in the nice pouch, so it's stored away, and it comes with everything here, as you can see. So it's a complete kit. And when you attach this, then this is ready to add the bike rack on top and ready to go. Let me show you as well, because it's quite important, why we always prefer OEM fully integrated electrics is because it integrates with the full infotainment system in the car. So let me show you that as well. Right, now I'm in the car. So if I select the reverse gear, you will see, let me just do that for you. It will change the screen. So it already recognizes because I've plugged the electrics at the back. It's our test electrics that we do, always test all the connections. So here you can see the car recognizes that it's got them connected and it shows, so there's like a bike rack there. So it disables completely the rear sensors, and then you only have the front sensors working while the rear is already disabled. So this is fully integrated. Also, when you're using indicators, here it changes. So you can see it's got the little number, so it changes as well. It's showing there as well. Normally when you don't have electrics connected to the rear Towbar, then this icon would not pop in, would not be showing up. Only the arrow left and right, if I turn right, will be showing on the display. But when you have it connected, it also comes up there. So it's fully integrated with both electrics and obviously with the main screen. So the car knows that there is something connected to the rear electrics of the newly installed Towbar, and it's ready to go. Obviously, as always, everything installed to the factory specification, includes 3 years warranty. If you want more information, links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you next one. Bye bye.